Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an avocado fan like me, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the top 10 amazing benefits of eating avocado that you probably didn't know about. So grab your favorite avocado toast and let's get started. 1. Packed with nutrients. Let's kick things off with the basics. Avocados are loaded with nutrients. They're packed with fiber, potassium, and healthy fats. In fact, just one avocado contains more potassium than a banana. This helps maintain your body's fluid balance and supports healthy muscle function. 2. Heart health avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats your heart loves. These healthy fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease. 3. Supports weight management. Don't let their rich texture fool you. Avocados can actually help with weight management. The combination of fiber and healthy fats makes you feel fuller longer, preventing overeating. So whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your weight, avocado is a great addition to your meals. 4. Great for digestion. Avocados are an excellent source of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. That fiber also helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, keeping things running smoothly. 5. Improves skin health. Avocados do wonders for your skin too. They're packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, which help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. Plus, those healthy fats help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. 6. Boosts brain function. Want to boost your brain power? Eating avocados can help. The monounsaturated fats in avocados promote healthy blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and memory. Make sure to add this brain-boosting superfood to your diet, whether you're working, studying, or just need a mental boost. 7. Eye health. Avocados are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight. These nutrients help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and age-related eye conditions. Who knew something so delicious could help you keep an eye on your health? 8. Fights inflammation. Benefit number 8. Fighting inflammation. Avocados have anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their healthy fats and antioxidants, making them a great choice for reducing joint pain and muscle inflammation. Whether you're an athlete or just dealing with everyday aches, avocados can help soothe your body from the inside out. 9. Supports. Healthy pregnancy avocados are especially beneficial for pregnant women. They're a great source of folate, which is essential for fetal development and can help prevent birth defects. 10. Versatile and delicious. Avocados are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. From toast to salads, smoothies, or even just a scoop of guacamole, the options are endless. Not only do they taste amazing, but they're also incredibly easy to add to almost any meal. So there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of eating avocado. From heart health to glowing skin, this superfood is truly a gift from nature. What's your favorite way to eat avocado? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.